Every car from an RAC dealer comes with a warranty for a set amount of time, which covers you in the unlikely event that something goes wrong. For extra reassurance, many people extend that RAC warranty for 1, 2, or 3 years. That way, they're covered against certain repair costs as their car gets older, just in case they need them. Your local RAC dealer will talk you through exactly what's covered by your extended warranty, and you can avoid unexpected repair bills in the future. So, for long-term peace of mind, why not extend your RAC warranty today? Ask your local RAC dealer for more details, or search for RAC warranty.